What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel Project Product. Today we are going to be assembling a 5-tier bookshelf made by Numenn that I just got off of Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright, so we've got the sides of our bookshelf laid out, top and bottom. Your bottoms are labeled B in your instructions and they have the nubs on the feet. And we're going to be putting them together with these 4 mounting brackets. For now, we're going to start by attaching these top and bottom pieces. One quick note is that all 4 of these panels have a hole that is going to be vertical. That one hole right there, each panel has one. So for these bottom ones, you want to make sure that that is facing the ground like that. Same with this one. You want to make sure that hole is facing the ground like that. And then both of the top sides also have that hole that's going to attach what's labeled as D, which is just your cross mounting bracket you're going to put on, it looks like, towards the end. To start, I'm taking the bag that is labeled with parts 1 and 3, and we're going to start with these mounting brackets to get these center pieces. So we're going to put the first side panel for B and A up like this. Make sure that both of those holes I mentioned before are facing the ground. And we're going to put this top one together and line up these holes. Put your screw in from the outside. Take your nut, put that on the inside, and we're going to do that, looks like 8 times. Alright, so just like that, where you've got your outside, that'll be the inside. These are going to sit up just like this. So next we're going to use the screws that are labeled number 2 in the kit, and we're going to start attaching our shelves to the side panels, and it says that we're only going to tighten them about 80% to begin with. So I'm just going to dump these screws out. It also comes with an Allen wrench for this size specifically. Let's lift this up. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on a star bit right onto the impact drill and get this speeding up a little bit. Before we tighten all those fully with the Allen wrench, we're going to be putting together this cross mount. It looks like the center has like an inward groove, the other one's the same way. I'm going to keep them both that same direction on top of each other, so that way the backs of all these pieces are all flush and similar. Alright, so you're going to take screw number 5 from the kit, go through the center. You're going to take the nut labeled number 3, screw those together and then tighten them down. Like so. So now I have the 4 screws labeled number 4 and 4 nuts labeled number 3 in the kit. I'm going to loosely fit the cross brace first. I've got the nut at the center pointed in towards the bookshelf, so that way we have a better chance of it being flush up, the whole bookshelf being flush up against a wall. Alright, look at that. Would you look at that? Not bad. Now that everything's fit together quite nicely, I'm going to go back with an Allen wrench and I'm going to gently tighten all the exterior screws and snug all these down as well. Like I said, I've got that centerpiece facing inward. That way this can be flush when it goes against a wall, because it does come with a wall mount kit. So if you want to throw some anchors in, or you want to put these straps around the back and bolt it directly into a stud, get yourself a stud finder, then you don't need the anchors. And we're gonna call that good. I think I'm gonna call that a wrap. Looks pretty nice though. It's gonna go good with the books. It's gonna look good with the books. So that's another one for project product. I'm gonna try to get a film guy to start helping me so this can go a lot smoother. Please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, hey, Sugar Bean. Hey, you're on camera. Oh, we got the grocery store. Should have done a video on that. We got the kitchen we put together. We should have done a video on that. Right? But we don't have time to make videos all the time, because why? We gotta play sometimes, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. That looks good.